Welcome back to our channel. Hey everyone! If you're ready to revolutionize your kitchen with one powerful, all-in-one appliance, meet the Princess House Vida large air fryer oven. This sleek countertop hero combines healthy air frying, convection baking, toasting, dehydrating, and more, making it perfect for quick weeknight dinners or weekend meal prep. Stick around, I'll walk you through its top 8 features and show why it's a real game changer. 14 preset functions. Starting strong, a whopping 14 preset functions, including 8 tailored for common dishes like bone-in meat, fish, fries, veggies, bacon, steak, chicken breast, and pizza. Plus, 6 method-based modes: air fry, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and toast with shade controls. These presets make cooking a breeze. Smart heating with air circulation. It combines smart heating with efficient air circulation to ensure even, crispy results without excess oil. It's like having a convection oven and air fryer teaming up for healthier cooking. Dual-level cooking space. Next, the roomy dual-level cooking design lets you cook 2 different foods simultaneously, say, fries on top and chicken below, without flipping or rotating mid-cook. Talk about efficiency. Adjustable toast shade selection. For toast lovers, there's a toast function with 6 shade levels, perfectly customizable for bagels, English muffins, or toast, exactly how you like it. These aren't just presets, those 6 functional modes span air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, and reheating. You can prepare anything from crispy snacks to fresh baked bread, or even revitalize leftovers. Compact yet powerful. It's compact, measuring 15 3/4 wide times 13 3/8 high times 15 deep, yet packs a powerful punch. A perfect fit even in small kitchens or for those short on counter space. You'll get a baking tray, baking rack, fry basket, and drip tray, giving you flexibility from air frying to baking or broiling and keeping your unit easy to clean. Sleek, user-friendly design. The sleek digital display and intuitive controls make it simple to switch between modes, adjust settings, and monitor progress. And there you have it, the Princess House Vida large air fryer oven is truly an all-in-one powerhouse. Whether you're air frying veggies, toasting breakfast, dehydrating snacks, or baking dinner, it tackles it all with speed, simplicity, and healthier results. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.